Okay, so we've looked at column vectors, what they mean, they have magnitude and direction, and what they can represent. Now we've looked at, we can add and subtract with column vectors. We can also get parallel vectors. And a vector is parallel if it runs in the same direction. And you get that where one vector is a multiple of another. Okay, for example, 3, -8 would be pointing in one direction. And because this is times by 5 here, 5 lots of 3, 5 lots of -8, we can get another vector which is longer in magnitude but running parallel. Okay, and this is where it comes from. And I will teach you how to multiply these vectors by a whole number in just a second. So vectors can be parallel if they are multiples of each other. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to do these ones and you're going to do some others. I'm going to draw A, which is 1, 2, same as yesterday, 1 across, 2 up. 2, 4, I'm going to start in a different position, 2 across, 4 up, and then we have this vector. So that's vector B, this is vector A, and vector C is -3, -6, which is this vector. Okay, so we have these three vectors, A, B, and C. A and B are running parallel. C is a different, it is technically running parallel, but it's going in opposite direction. So all three of these vectors are multiples of each other. If you notice, vector B is 2 lots of vector A, times by 2, times by 2. Vector C is -3 lots of vector A. Okay, and because they are multiples of each other, they are parallel. And we need to be able to spot that, either from the diagram or from the vector. Okay, can you draw these? And I'll go through the answers in the video. Draw these ones, sorry. Okay, we should have drawn those. And if we have, 1, 3, vector A is going like this. Again, the way you start doesn't matter. Vector B is 2, 6. So 2 right, 6 up. That's correct. Okay. And then vector C is -2, -6. So it should be going in the opposite direction. And notice again, they are all parallel. B and C are just opposites of each other. They're -1, lots of each other. And A to B, you would multiply by 2. So 2A is equal to B. Because they are multiples of each other, they are therefore parallel, and that is shown in the diagram as well. Okay.